Hi everybody, back here at EMD. This is Paul from EMD Automotive. I've got this car here that came in. There was a lot of knocking noise, like sort of something, sounds like something's loose from the actual thing. Something loose from the wheel. So we checked the wheel yesterday, and we rocked the wheel back and forth, and they actually a lot of play, like tick, 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 like a noise, like a loose wheel bearing. So what we done today, I already done this side here, that's all done, it's perfect. But this is the last one I'm doing, but I want to show you what I'm doing today. So remove all the wheels, full strip down the actual suspension, wheel, brakes and all that. So you get the stub axle. So I've checked the axle up and down. No play there, so that's great, that's good news. So now what I'm doing now, I'm going to pack the bearings and then get it all done. Alright, so I've stripped down the axle, the hub for the wheel bearing. It's here. So it's the front one here, front bearing there, and the rear bearings right here. So take it apart now. Check the cups as well. They get new cups as well. So pause it. So I'm just breaking the seal. So I'm taking the seal off so I can pack the bearings again with grease. I've got new bearings as well anyway, so take a new one here. If you look in there, look at that, look at the grease all dried up here. Bit too dry if you ask me. Look at that. That's the old one. So what do I do now? I'm gonna check the cups, make sure they're still tight. So pause. Okay, that's a new bearing. Look at that, look how quick it spins. Whew. Perfect. So the other one was really dirty and probably burned or whatever. So we're gonna pack it with grease now, high temperature grease. Pack everything up, put it together, assemble it, put new seal on the rear one, on the stub for the actual stub axle, and then we've got a new cover, and then we're gonna adjust it, full adjustments, and then double check it until it's all right, and then we'll check both sides on the car. But the other side is already done, the right hand side is already done, so it's perfect. So we're just doing the left hand side now. We're just going to do a quick video to show what we're doing. Mercedes-Benz 250, so C250 diesel. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.